By the end of this video, you'll have a custom built CRM that will have all the categories, all the requirements that you need, and this is not going to require any coding, any prior knowledge, nothing. The only thing it will require is a keyboard and a computer that we're both looking at right now. Now, let's dive right into this. This is Ozma. This is an AI assistant. This is the simplest way out there to build a CRM. No coding required, no learning curve, no big payments, no nothing. Just a simple CRM that we'll see is going to be actually very intricate and very interesting by the end of this video. Now, if you go to the website ozma-io, on the bottom right, you can see build your app. Perfect. This is what we need. And here, Ozma says, describe the business app that you need. AI will create it right now. Perfect. Now, there's different kinds of businesses that require CRM. There's speaker businesses, car businesses, whatever it is. I'll keep it simple, and let's say I'm looking at a table right now. I'll say I need a CRM for a table store. For a table store. We're selling tables. In your case, it could be different, so you would specify it being something that sounds like an exciting project. We can either try to come up with the entire business app structure ourselves, or answer a few questions to ensure we capture all the necessary use cases. Let's say design on your own. Now, in your case here, you would specify exactly what you need for your business. You would specify the different categories, different details, as detailed as you want it to be. You can type it in here, and Ozma will do it for you. And another cool thing about a CRM is that it's not something that has different categories of like inventory, customers. They're not all separate. As a matter of fact, they're all going to be interconnected, because the performance of your customers and your inventory is going to reflect on your business, and they're all going to be updating upon each other's changes. So if there is a sale of like a specific table, it's going to update on the customer side exactly who purchased it, for how much they purchased it, and when they purchased it, and many other little details. And the same applies for numerous other categories. So if you have a business where you have different sales representatives, it would also include those in there, and it would update them whenever a sale would occur. As you can see, less than 1 minute has passed. Ozma's already designed a CRM for us that is for selling tables, but now it's going to fill out the example data so we can actually see what it's supposed to look like. And one amazing thing about CRM is that it's going to excel your business to another level. But one bad thing about a CRM is that it's often super hard to learn. It's either very complicated, massive learning curve, or either too expensive if you're trying to go for something like on an enterprise level. However, a CRM is something that should be used in any business nowadays, because it's something that helps you see what is performing well, and helps you see what is not performing well, and based on that, make changes for your business. And another amazing thing about a CRM is if we go here to demo and then open live demo, through Ozma, you'll be capable of seeing different dashboard statistics. So you're not just looking at some random numbers on an Excel sheet, but you're actually looking at visual charts that are showing you exactly what is completed, when was the first contact, who's the top selling people, and so on. So let's go back to our little CRM, example data for your business. Let's click on this link. Let's see. Usually Ozma is super fast, and I would assume it's already complete. So as you can see, for our CRM system, it decided for our table selling business, it decided to include customers, products, orders, order items, suppliers, inventories. A lot of different categories, which I really like. Let's go into customers as an example. As you can see, less than 5 minutes, Ozma has designed a customer category for us, full of name, email, phone number, address, description, regular customer, frequent purchases, new customer interested in premium products. I think this is an amazing category to have, because you can better understand your customers, especially if you're a high ticket selling business. Let's check out some other categories for products. For products, add a widget. Very interesting choice of naming for tables, but like I said, this is going to be customized specifically for you. But you can literally say like, I have these tables, I have those tables, I have these colors. Please include the colors. But you can see here, design the name, description, price, stock quantity, and dimensions. I think dimensions are important. Let's keep going. Orders. What did Ozma say to us? It responded to us. I can hear a little click, and that's Ozma talking to us. I finished generating example data. Oh, by the way, if you'd like me to change anything in your business app, just let me know. Let's ask Ozma to change the colors. So for products, for product category, please add, oh, I know what happened. Colors. But this is funny. I didn't specify that we're selling physical tables. I think Ozma decided that we're selling like visual tables, like on a computer, which is why it's saying super widget, mega widget, mini widget. or some small devices. But let's see if Ozma is going to be capable of adding colors to product categories. Sounds like a great idea. Just to confirm, are you looking for an entity specifically for product categories where each category can have a set of colors? Or do you want to add a color field directly to the existing products? Add a color field to existing products entity. Perfect. You know, the amazing thing about this, you don't have to wait days, hours, weeks, months for this to be updated. It's going to be done. Field color, would you prefer plain? Yes, plain. You don't have to wait a long time. It's going to be responding to you in seconds. So in the future, if you're having any issues with your database or there's some adjustments that you want to make, simply request it and it will be done. Database has been updated. Let's reload it. Update the example data. Let's go back into products. Wow. This was like less than 10 seconds and the update was complete. Color category integrated. Now, this is amazing. Something you should definitely try. Whatever business you got, large, small, hypothetical one, go on ozma.io, go to this assistant, ask it to design it for you, make it as specific or as broad as you like, and you'll be amazed at yourself what this thing is capable of. So give it a try, and in the comments, let me know what you built, and if there's any questions, we'll be happy to answer them. Have fun, and good luck.